Ndidi sema mabudzi ngaphanda kana ngamrawo.
Come on, it's not okay, guy. Mabudzi ni mabudzi.
Hey, mara chifano the word which one frames my face, guys. I've been in ndishimanga nga face. Achitonga meaning ngeyo nderonga nazo ndikudomba chimwe chithu. Nga face. Ndishimanga face. So I must always look nice. I must look the part.
Why ndishimanga face?
Because I do aesthetics. Yeah, and I work with women. Yeah. So nazi wana ndo bauluwa. Aje ndo nobe ka cinematic.
Yanga phone
even if it's like 10 seconds. Kana achi phone ndikwamba zodia. Apo adi. Zvinanda kuhamba ndiko buy zai. Wakona ya camera. But I can tell you my unlock code.
Really? Would you?
Yeah, almost everyone knows my unlock code.
What is it?
It's 0.
Ndone kuti zvo podcast ina mudzimu nga ngomu
ende azakuma
rari zvinwele
I love you, homie.
I love you too, homie.
Past 5. I'm sure we'll talk. And the roof was on 3. Road of Hano, and I did a company chair.
Even my kids know my unlock code.
You have kids?
I have 4 kids.
No ways.
Yeah.
Oi.
I've got 4 boys. 14, 10, 8, and 5.
14. When was 14? When was 14
I've got
years
boys
ago?
only years. That was 2011. Shit. Yeah. Yeah.
How old are you? You look young though.
I'm 35. Really? Oh.
Wait. Wait. You know what? You're 35.
Yes, I'm 35. Yeah. This is why I say I work with. Mtu achiri kunyaga anti-aging ufana ibona. Achiri kunyaga skin glow they must see it.
You have that thing also. Anti-aging.
Botox.
That's Botox.
Collagen. Botox ndile to the wrinkles and lines on the face.
I think we started.
We haven't started.
We have.
Oh really?
Yeah. People know your password now. Mara data two.
I did the bang benefits.
Yeah. Now we.
Nine. Yeah. It's
Now
fine.
we edit our show.
Oh okay, it's
Now
fine.
no approver or I am.
Really?
Yeah.
So what needs to happen for them not to approve? If I cry, or if I say
if you cry,
like,
they will approve.
God, that's the ratings.
Yeah, but they approve.
Imagine.
Yeah. How are you? Though?
I'm good. Well, I'm okay, but a bit nervous.
Why?
Because we are sitting in a mortuary.
Funny enough, you're not looking. Do you even see the coffins?
I tried so hard not to look.
Why are you scared?
To make sure I
Why, man?
don't know. I think I'm superstitious. I feel like outamberi mortuary, outamberi mabidani. Oh my goodness, yo! You know that song? Guzba songo tumba tumba. Like grave in the Gongonyara, ne?
Oh,
that's
just
me.
like
I
in the
believe.
Gongonyara.
Yes. So I feel like now mbidalisum. So now where do we point here?
That side.
We point yes.
Hopefully, I'll not be done first.
You see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then it's chilled, man. We're right.
It's okay. We'll work with what we've got.
Yeah. Like we said, we're a quiet area, so we had to come here. Yeah. So, anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in today with the famous doctor. Do you believe that?
No, I don't think so.
You are.
Am I?
Okay, here's the thing. Everyone can be a doctor around here, but then you have to be famous to be called on these things like radio, your podcast, and all that. And I've seen you do radios also.
What if I'm paying? What if I'm paying?
Would you? Then pay me then. Do you know how much it costs to come here?
No, how much?
How much do you pay for radio?
No, I don't pay. I'm just kidding.
No, I
I've never paid.
4.5 here.
Are you serious? Sheesh.
Open phone number there.
Y'all got money, ne?
No, not in that way.
Yeah, because I mean, you have people coming, so.
Nah, not everyone pays. You're
Okay.
the 10th person that's gonna pay.
That's not paying.
That's gonna pay.
Aye. You said I'm not paying.
Right, so to agree. We might sign up right at right. But then with you guys, I was still saying welcome and thanks for tuning in. Like I was still saying, the famous female doctor in Venda also. And then we're coming at you live from MR head office, like I call them. Head office.
Hey. I didn't know it's the mortuary, but
that's what I call. I normally do with guests now. No, about the reshoot to head office. And those you go type for MR. Like,
thank you.
Doesn't
and I'm a
sense.
member of MR21, by the way.
Are you?
Yeah, I
Which
am.
one are you on?
The top one. Top of the range.
You can't wait to die, ne?
No. You see why I don't like those things?
Why?
Because it's like, yes, I'm paying for it. I want it, but I don't want to die and I don't want to bury any loved one. Yeah, it's not nice. Yeah. Do you want to die?
If I'm broke, I would want to die.
Wow.
So I want to die at the moment.
Okay.
That means I'm broke.
Okay.
But yeah. Anyways, guys, if you see quality, I mean, all these things, it's what I was going to Panda Studios. So if you want to do anything that has got to do with videos, live streaming of any event, they were there with us. The event, Nandoni Riverview, the first ever live show that we did. They did a spectacular job, I mean. So we had a good one. So if you want to contact them, also contact them on 0100232939 or info@pandastudios.com. And then for MR21, it's 015151 0251 or 0252. And then, back to you. You're still saying, you're not really good. Yes, okay, Marazo Mochari.
Yeah, how's so much? Besides that, I'm fine. Yeah.
What's fine to you?
If I have everything I need, I'm fine. If I'm healthy, I'm fine. If my kids are healthy, I'm fine. If business is doing well, I'm fine. Yeah.
How do you know business is doing well?
The
More people are
numbers.
sick.
The numbers. Yeah. You know, the bank notifications will be notifying.
Oh, finally January. Yeah, so such things. And then also how come already like you're 35 and I mean so I'm like, come to them too, we're like literally young. Okay, you're gonna be an adult, probably.
Yeah, like 2026, I'm turning 35 in March.
Really? Oh, I thought 20. Okay.
Next year. Yeah, in 4 months, I'll be 35 on the dot.
So that's your last year of being a young adult.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, youth. So whatever youth thing I need to apply, I need to do it now or first 4 months of the year.
Groove, all those things. Do you groove?
Yes, I do. I do.
Where do you go normally? Around here?
Around here.
Which ones do you attend?
So when I feel like going out, I go to Dar es Salaam or I go to News Cafe. And then if there's a big event, so most big events, if there's like Royal or like the recent one, All Black, I normally attend those.
You were there?
I was. But I left around 2ish.
Oh, so you didn't see the fight?
No. I should have. I would have loved to. And but I missed it, guys. I missed it. But I saw the highlights. Yeah.
You're so happy. I saw the highlights. Yeah, I should have been there. And then also, man, let's talk about this thing. You are a doctor now, Dr. Tshidzi. I guess it's coming from, is it Mutshidzi or something else?
Tshidziwani.
Really?
Yeah, that's my name. And a lot of people like calling me Tshidzi. Atufi Tshidzi. Tshidzi is actually my brother. Lifi Tshidziwani, yeah.
Then why go with Dr. Tshidzi? Is it because I'm still young, I can go with these names?
I think because when I grew up, my name in short, Tshidzi, since I was young.
That's fine,
and that's Tshidzi. So it just made sense. Yeah. And with my surname, Atindi Dr. Tshidzi Nechishibe.
Yeah.
So there's two Nechishibes and both initials are the same. So it'll be easier to always just go Dr. Tshidzi. Yeah, because let's go to Dr. T Nechishibe. It will.
Is that your own surname?
No, that is my other surname.
So you can do that as a doctor?
Yeah, you can change your surname as a doctor. You can even do a double barrel as a doctor. You can change.
Why didn't you do double barrel?
Because it was going to be so long.
Oh.
Yeah, it was going to be so long. Because the surname already is long, then you are Murondo. That was my maiden surname. So they are Murondo.
Wait, Murondo?
Eh.
Isn't like the actual name?
Murondo, which fan? Say Murondo Nechishibe. Imagine that was going to be so long. Yeah.
Tshidziwani Murondo Nechishibe.
Imagine.
Doctor.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, that's a lot. No, I get it, man. So you are married?
No.
Oh, you just have kids?
I was.
What happened?
Oh,
let's stop there. No way.
Oh my goodness.
What happened?
Yeah, a lot. But what do you want to know? I only tell the people who are showing interest in me. Or what I mean. So if another interest can...
Or interest, kindness in I want you.
Then I'll tell you what happened. But if you have no interest in me, then it doesn't serve anything
interest.
to tell you. Lies.
The viewers also.
The viewers have interest. Those that are interested will know.
But
what do I mean? They'll approach me.
Was it infidelity?
No, I don't think I'll ever leave anyone for cheating.
Oh. So
people don't come for me. We have different values and standards.
So if I date you now, I have that card, you can go anywhere.
No, you don't. But like that wouldn't be a main reason for me ending any form of relationship. There has to be more. You know, a relationship needs more just besides saying... Yeah.
Was he pointing a gun at you?
No, I'm saying me and you, me and you.
No, you're saying
No, like...
But it wasn't abusing.
A relationship needs more than just this and this. And also, am I?
Aren't you looking though?
Hey.
We have people here. I have a lot of friends. So the daughters of engineer. And
Angomara. Oh, okay. Am I looking? Oh, wow. Listen to you.
Don't interested.
You must take me on a date.
Really?
Yeah.
Where would you want to go on a date? A doctor like you.
Let's see. Locally or anyway?
Hey, let's do locally. Hey, I have anywhere. On a flight. Anyway.
No, I don't go to the sun. What are you comfortable with?
Okay, let's just
if we're doing local, you can take me to Lira. I love their pasta. Then I'll tell you everything you need to know. So you see?
So if I cook you pasta now, you can come and tell me everything I need to know.
You
should have said so. Okay, I will get some pasta. Just like that. And then if it's not here, where would you want to go?
If it's not here, anywhere in Cape Town.
Can I stay in Cape Town?
Really? Oh yeah, you did say. And I'm coming to Cape Town next month for the black coffee thing. No.
Cabo Beach.
I'm coming for the black coffee thing. Really?
Let me know when you're there.
You see? Then I'm going to tell you everything you need to know.
Mara, no pasta. Tia, you stay in Cape Town already.
Yeah, no pasta. It's fine.
Okay, just us. It's a date. You're paying.
Why am I...
You are the old one. Hi, you Benten.
I don't date Bentens, eh?
I want to be a Benten, actually.
For who?
For you. You must consider me.
Hey,
let's talk about that after. Hey, but why not, man? Anyways, let's do what we are here for.
Yes, let's go back.
Yeah. So the whole thing, I'm assuming you did medicine too?
Yeah.
I was like, where did you actually study? And then this whole thing, you're talking about medicine.
So funny enough, in the high school, grade 12, I didn't know what to apply.
Where was that?
And then in Mbiri. Had no idea what to apply. And I was sitting with my friend. She's also a doctor now. So I said, apply mean? And she's like, no, I'm gonna apply medicine. I want meds. I hated meds. So I said, oh, yay. Let's go for it. And then I got accepted, went to UKZN.
Wait, medicine?
Not really, no. So if you don't really like mathematics, you should do medicine.
Oh, no, it's too late for me.
Minimal mathematics, which you can figure out with a calculator.
Then you started the whole thing.
UKZN, did medicine. Then from there, I was lucky enough to be in the 5-year program. My group was the last year, 5 years in medicine. After that, they went back to 6 years. So after that, I did my internship, Tshilidzini, did my ComServe, Tshilidzini, did my MO, Donald Fraser.
What's the difference between all those things that you're mentioning? ComServe and internship?
Internship, yeah. So internship is the first 2 years after you qualify. You're still sort of learning, but you're getting paid. And then ComServe, you're doing community service. And then after ComServe, now you're a medical officer. So now you can practice, you can go specialize, you can go do whatever you want. So after my ComServe, I did MO, and then I decided over a private practice. Yeah.
Oh, just like that? You went straight to the practice?
Not really straight to the practice. Like, I did a few short courses in aesthetics because that was my main focus. And I did a diploma in obstetrics because I was really into pregnant women and deliveries. Then from there, I did my practice.
Why is that thing called a practice if you know what you're doing?
A private practice. I think because...
Like, because you see with us, because Richie, I'm in the workshop.
Yeah.
That's what engineers normally say. We're in the workshop because you're actually doing the thing, the work in that shop. So, which practice for medicine?
I think it's because I think that's where you're practicing the actual medicine. Yeah, that's why if you practice. Yeah,
sounds wrong, Mara. Like you got to practice.
It makes sense.
Anything can go wrong.
Well, well.
Yeah, why aesthetics then?
So aesthetics, it's because I like skin and beauty, and then aesthetics is just like beauty medicine.
How's my skin? Dr. Tshidzi skin
Good.
Really?
Just a few pigment spots here, but you're good.
You must bring those things in Cape Town.
Is that Cape Town? Ah.
Okay, it's fine. I'll come back.
Hey, you must come to the practice, and we will practice
what are
on
we
you.
practicing?
On you. Listen. Yeah. So you
Yeah.
must come to the practice, then we will do it. But yeah,
Yeah, you're still
so
seeing aesthetics.
aesthetics is more of beauty medicine.
Please explain why you're sitting like that so that these people know. The one
I'm
thing
more
you're telling me-
comfortable like this.
No, that's not what you said.
Oh,
Just so people understand why Mzana Chute Zuraso.
well, not. This is more hectic. Madam Muzano Fanodura, so yeah,
To show.
like that, to cross your legs and to show you're a lady and you're.
You're not in easy target. You can say it, man. Don't be scared. People love doctors that are open.
Yeah, to show you are not just, ready to go anytime.
Oh.
And then if you sit with
Oh, like me, so.
like that,
mean
then
anytime.
you're saying, yeah, I'm available. Anytime is tea time.
Exactly. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Yeah. I just wanted you guys to understand why I was so, and it
Well,
makes
putting
so
my
much
foot
sense.
up
Yeah.
on the couch is just for me to be
Comfortable.
more comfortable, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Back to the thing, to
Yeah.
aesthetics. Disahani, why that? You were saying you love the skin and all that.
Yeah. So I like skin, I like beauty medicine. I prefer to work there, and I prefer to work with women. So I think that's why I did it. I didn't want to do dermatology because dermatology is more for skin, but sick skin.
Yeah.
That's me just putting it in lay terms. That is not the definition.
Yeah.
But yeah, I didn't want that. Yeah.
And then the also.
So I like making women pretty. Yeah.
What have you done around it that we know? And they're like, you see, that's all my work.
I don't know if I'm allowed to disclose.
Oh.
Yeah.
that's that.
Doctor-patient confidentiality.
So I want to post to a kazi into.
Abalababo consent. So Banana
Pastor
poster.
donation, I've seen him a lot.
Yes, pastor donation. But normally he comes for energy drips and immune boosters. Yeah.
What's the difference between those ones and the energy drink is never kuno? Because
The
if
energy
it's okay, just because it's like now they're okay.
No, not really. Energy drinks is caffeine. Yeah,
what's
so
that?
that's not good for you. Remember, caffeine raises your blood pressure and your pulse, your heart rate, and all that. Yeah. That's why if none of the ones on coffee, the one that you get a headache. You get that. Yeah. So the ones in the drips, they don't work like that. Those ones are just coming to enhance you.
Yeah.
To improve your endurance. Not that other endurance that you might be thinking of.
But then would you such things?
The other endurance, that one is a libido drip. It's different.
You have it?
Yes, I do.
Oh, that's nice. I should come.
And it's for men only.
Just in case, yeah.
Yeah, just in case. Okay. Yeah, so the energy drips, IV drips are not the same as Red Bull. Those go into your system and they last longer.
Yeah.
Unlike coffee that is short-lived. Yeah.
Okay. And then also, you mentioned UKZNT, and then there's always that thing in India. Okay, Dr. Tshidzi, MBCH. Wait, what do you call it? you guys?
MBChB.
Oh. Reneri with MBCH.
Yeah, vert.
Yeah. Maria, we're different. So while I was is it to prove to people who are okay, now I went to this thing, I mean, because I feel like stronger. Is that the case?
No, it's not supposed to be. It's just putting the qualification there. Because by specialists, then they will have that FC, what, depending on their speciality.
Right, UKZN, Medunza. Some people have Medunza even, imagine.
Really?
When it's called Sifako.
But why
So
would you?
imagine in the end, and I don't know if Medunza. I don't even know what Medunza is.
Would that be your only reason of
Yes, we're saying. Why will you make a medunza? Okay,
I didn't say I hate Medunsa. No,
Is there anything wrong with them? With the doctors from Medunsa and doctors from elsewhere?
No.
They're all fine.
Yes, guys, doctors are doctors. you must trust your doctor. It's just vets and UCT, they always have that thing of they're like the snobs breed of the doctors. They think they know everything. UKZN ones, we are good with practical work. We are more hands-on. I think that's the only thing I can say. The negative things, let me not say about the other universities.
Okay, but then you should help other kids, you know. Because I'm trying to think, if I'm trying to get a medicine, and then they probably want to go to like to Sifa Horari. But then now they know what what you're about to say now. So okay, if this is a thing, obviously don't want qualification, but then there are these downs and then there are also these ups. So let's just assist those kids.
No, all doctors are good. Yes, all doctors are good. It's just certain varsities or certain doctors from certain universities think they're better than others. But when someone on a qualification, it means they worked hard enough to earn that qualification. So they should know what they're doing. You know what you're doing. Yeah.
And then is it that tough medicine? And then you come back competition.
I don't think it's tough. It's just a lot of theory. You study a lot. Yeah, it's a lot of theory and a lot of practical work. So you need to be good with your hands. And I think the other thing, medicine, why are you smiling? Did you good with your hands?
No.
Bone. Zamushumo penziti. Okay. I rendesongo of rempandindote.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So medicine, you need to know the theory, you need to be good with your hands. I think that's one of the important things.
Yeah.
And even chifunesa kope.
Oh.
Yeah. That's one thing I've realized. Like, because the working hours are ridiculous.
Yeah,
you know, and you can never get used to working with Siku. I mean, even at this age, if I have to wake up at 2 a.m. for a patient, you know, I still feel it. I feel it.
So you do wake up at like 2 a.m. They wake you up. But that's more money old.
Yeah, on my side, because I'm in private, I mean, every phone call that comes in, you know, you're going to benefit from it.
Yeah.
And it's not as hectic as if I'm in the public sector.
Yeah.
You know, people in the public sector don't sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then also, speaking of visual toughness, and I mean, like, what do you think of those people that actually go to medicine through the camp program? No, the camp, not camp program.
The what?
Camp, do you know it?
No.
That thing, yeah, I mean, graduate entry, medicine program or medical.
Oh, the one where they're not taken first.
No, I think it's like an engineer. What they're gonna do, you can't apply and then I write a certain test in Yana.
Okay.
And then you go pass, then they take me to, is it fourth year or
Third year?
third year?
Oh.
What do you think of such book? Don't you feel like they're robbing you guys?
I don't think so, because the first 2 to 3 years in most universities is just biochemistry and all that. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to BSc. As I'm going to medicine, they can do their BSc degree, finish, bachelor medicine. Then by credit you, I think the first 2 years. I think by joiner on third year.
Yeah, I think that one makes sense.
Some universities do that. Even pharmacists, abatomika first year, if I decide to go to medicine. In some universities, though, I stand to be corrected. Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. Really? I'm considering it.
Okay. You're not scared of blood? You're not scared of blood? Okay.
Why do people always ask that question? Or if like you're good with blood, and I mean, you'd be a good doctor.
Yeah.
If mtu achikono udokona ntu achikufuna minutes number do ikona actual science,
yeah,
which is not the case, eh? That's not the case. Nera achifuna golo imara engineering yori. It doesn't work like that. Trust me.
Yeah, it doesn't work like that. True, I hear you, but I think mostly with medicine sometimes, it's about also your psychological well-being. You know, the mental part, ngori. If you're going to be very uncomfortable around the sight of blood or then every time you cover a casualty or the emergency department, you'll have problems. Or everything that your MO not make sure ngo special as a kachitu na emergency. Because what I've also realized, see, as much as I'm a doctor, I did say I was uncomfortable being in a mortuary.
Yeah.
You know, it's just human.
I also the thing or why I call because people do die in your hands.
Yes, you see, but it's
you
different.
See them firsthand.
Of course, and also what I've noticed, I was driving the other day. There was an accident on the road, and there was someone on the ground onorova ti asatu kavariwa. That thing freaked me out.
Why?
Because it's an unnatural death. I am a doctor, but that was, you know.
Also, you'd rather kill the person yourself.
Wow.
Not kill, but then. Not.
Oh my gosh.
No, like, you'd rather try your best.
You'd rather try your best and then lose someone. Yeah. I think no one wakes up to kill anyone.
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect.
But then there's people that say, okay, family code there, please unplug. We've had enough. You guys unplug. And they're like, hey, you guys can do this yourselves.
I think ICU patients, but then maybe the family has gotten counseling or supported by just the machines. The family can come and say, no, unplug. At unplug, you're not really taking the person. You are just stopping everything that is supporting them. So the machine that is breathing for them, and you're stopping all the medication and the drugs. If that person continues breathing on their own, then yay. Mara, most of the time, you just stop at the machine for breathing, then they'll stop breathing and then they'll pass on. Yeah.
Do you think when people die, they feel pain? What? I always have that question.
I don't think so. Unless if you go far by like a gunshot or like.
But also they say
suicide.
With a gunshot, it's like, po. So, and you're chai.
Mara, the brain is alive for a few minutes before you fully die.
How many minutes is that?
I think we're at 3.
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
3 minutes is a lot. So 3 minutes is a lot, right?
To be gasping.
3 minutes is a lot.
3 minutes is a lot. Remember, guy.
Oh, yeah, like, there's also that, like.
Remember, guy, 3 minutes.
No, like, come to the two full of so 3 minutes is a lot. Because equivalent now, if not 50 years, it's equivalent to 50 years. Oh, you go bore.
All right, yeah.
It's
3
actually
minutes
a
is a
lot.
lot, guys. Even 2 minutes is a lot.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, and then also,
Yeah.
you went and opened your own practice. So I wanted to know, was it because maybe like, or it was not there with you guys? Because now already, I was checking yesterday, okay, how many people are actually unemployed when in
Yeah.
and so they give me like 1,008, of which I'm pretty sure is higher than that.
It is higher than that. Yeah.
So did you open your own practice because of that, or just for job security, or when did there something to do on the side?
The reason why I didn't do it a practice, it was more for being able to be free. You know, and I always say with freedom either in different forms. You know, there's freedom of time where you are free to do what you want, when you want to, and when you feel like doing it. So I wanted to be able to go to work. See, I wouldn't be sitting with you here if I was employed.
Yeah.
So you see, that was one of the main things. And the other thing, I wanted to be focused on one thing. And I wanted to have more time to spend with my kids. That played a big role. And I think, yeah, those were the big 3 things, you know, having my own time and freedom. So I just resigned. I think about that issue already, there's no employment.
Yeah.
That came maybe 2-3 years afterwards.
But then don't you think last also Nangori, where you get paid a lot when you're just starting? So they don't have enough money to pay each and every one of those ones.
That is not true. The budget is there. How are they doing it in other provinces?
So it's only just here.
Most unemployment is in Limpopo.
Maybe we don't have enough patients.
How they? We don't have what?
Already, what?
Yeah. There's a lot of patients. Raya OPD. Are we allowed to say names of hospitals?
Yeah. It's not like in the brain.
Yeah. Raya OPD. Apa kas badere chatsini chapo. Roboton. Yeah. Roboton. Trust me, there will be a crazy long queue. I am sure of it. Casualty people go in today. I won't want the next day. I'm a Mudau. Yeah, there's very little stuff and a lot of influx, a lot of patients.
So do you also give in a hand there if there's like they need doctors? I mean, because apparently they do pay you guys.
I used to do sessions. So I used to go there for calls. Marandichi cover maternity beds. I wasn't going to the casualty.
You love kids, do you?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Yeah, focus on maternity. All
Yeah,
those things,
I love kids. I love pregnant moms. I love newborns. I love delivering a newborn baby. Like when everything goes well, it's amazing. But when it goes bad,
You've lost a
it's
baby.
it's really bad.
Have you lost a baby? Not you yourself, but then when you were delivering.
When I was delivering, no,
Oh.
not a baby, but I have lost a
Wait,
mom.
what do you mean not a baby? Oh, a mom.
It's the worst. It's the worst feeling ever. Hey, yeah, that really sucks.
And then Zilazo, are what about they don't need to
It's maybe if they're born premature, bakubaro-fema,
What
they're
causes
too
that? What
underweight.
causes prematurity?
Some people can have infections. Others can be in an accident, into labor. Others vana something on cervical incompetence. So it's the mouth of the womb before the baby has to shika.
Yeah.
Yeah. Other people have histories of preterm deliveries. Others they have BP problems. It's a lot of things. Then the baby it's an incubator, by the way.
Yeah.
Bodero.
Bodero. Incubator, and I mean,
But there, yeah.
Please
Please cut that out.
No, Argo cut. What? Is that what you listen to?
Oh my goodness.
No, is that what you... Oh, you are
Zawe.
Why? Is it wrong to say that?
No, but we're talking about something serious here.
Yeah, Mara.
Sensitive.
What are you trying to say about our music? It's also serious. That's someone's like, loaf of bread.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is that what you listen to?
And it's doing well. Yeah, I
Because you've
do
been
also
mentioning
listen.
Goose Bar, all those things.
I listen to a lot of local music. I also listen to international. I listen to anything that's nice. If it's vibing and it's good, I listen.
Okay. And then also now I see the thing, the TEDs.
Yeah.
Do they have a meaning or you just drew, okay, I have money, I'll just go and ink myself.
So some have a meaning. Some are just out of, I don't know, just yay, come, let's do something. And
So they call you.
no, like I decided, hey, I call the tattoo artist and that come through.
What's that one?
Let's
The
do
one that's
something.
here?
This one
Yeah.
means God willing. Yeah. And the one at the back, it's God willed it. So whatever that happens in our lives, God wills it. Yeah.
So why don't you draw your kids on the other arm? Because I see it's free. There's
I have
space.
my kids' initials.
Let me see.
My kids' initials.
So are you done?
And my
There's more.
other kids, if I think,
No, oh, wait. Why I going to say?
no, why were you looking at me like that?
No, don't there's more.
I think, you gave me a look.
Okay, where do they end up?
Hey, they go all the way.
Really?
Yeah, so
How do you draw
somebody,
them on the waist or around the waist?
I don't vote.
You guys aren't scared of anything.
That would be the, we're not scared of?
Anything. You're like, draw it.
Yeah.
Do you have it there?
Everywhere.
Somewhere around you.
I have everywhere at the side.
I'll try and check your thing, your Instagram, and see if you have bikini pictures where it's there. We can see it.
Yeah, I think there's a bikini picture in my Instagram where you can see on the side. Yeah, the side view. But you don't see all of them. The other ones are privileged. Hey.
You have, hey.
They've been within
Yo.
the, the holy grounds.
Who drew it? The Quinji.
Some the Quinji, some the ghost.
Yeah,
Quinji ghost. Yeah, guy?
Yeah, purpose.
Asia, Papandinga. Oh my goodness.
No, it's fine, guys.
It's on the thigh. It's on the thigh.
Oh, okay. If it's the thigh,
Guys,
then
I don't
it's
have a tattoo in the privates, no. It's the thighs.
fine.
That was Quinji. Yeah, and Ghost. Yeah, it's Quinji and Ghost. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, also, Dr. Tshidzi got the long working hours and all that. I've seen you guys struggle a lot. And hey, okay, I do have a lot of doctors on my contact list. So then I went, actually, now that I have you, I want to go on a maripi. Or I want to go as one. Privileges. Yeah, such things. So yeah, I saw those people always complaining, okay, the working hours are that, and I mean, so how do you guys cope? Because Mutueta, like 2 full days.
Yeah. It's
How is that
hectic.
possible? Do you guys use drugs? I mean, Dr. Tshidzi, Anna.
Well, I'm sure we would love to have drugs,
Yeah.
but it's in our disposal. If we wanted them, we could have them. It's easy for a doctor to get drugs. But no, we don't take drugs.
How do you manage?
It's tough. It's
70
tough.
hours.
People cry sometimes during calls. You know, there's a lot that people don't really show on social media that they go through. Mshumon, you know, yeah. Sometimes you get really broken, and the time you post calls, Jambore no chaisa after doing a 24 or a 36-hour shift.
36.
Nishto chaisa, you make sure you are going to sleep.
What's the longest call you've done?
36. Yeah. That's the longest. Later 24 and a half, yeah, the following day. Yeah.
And then is that why a lot of doctors go on vacation? As soon as I call, book a vacation.
I don't think... Hey, come on, say. Hey, I wish I could afford that.
No, you're always on vacation.
When was I on vacation?
You just came from one now.
That was Christmas for the kids.
But still, you're always on vacation. I see your TikToks. I mean.
It's once in a while. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like once every 6 months. Yeah.
So during COVID, were you there? You were like, hey, Nindi, you turned on the side.
Luckily, during COVID, this one right here was pregnant. Hello. Ebo.
So you have a COVID baby.
I do have a COVID baby. So with COVID, hey, we don't have enough protective wear. I don't think I would have gone. Yeah.
Wait, in Limpopo, I don't
think it was enough and sufficient.
Hey, tough. Do you think there's a better thing health system elsewhere than for the variety?
I think KZN health system is much better.
Or you maybe had access to it because you were once there.
Yeah, that's the one I've seen firsthand. I think their health care system, whichever way they manage the hospitals, management, procurement, whatever, I think they doing quite well.
And then the bad thing that they talk about, Tshilidzini, is it true as well? They don't have enough resources for what I mean, just besides the doctors and the nurses, they're machine.
It's not enough. And there's a lot. Like you'll find imagine if unambete 4 and there's 7 people in labor, what must happen?
Is that what happens? Or on the floor? Dr. Tshidzi.
No, I did not.
You
I
just
did
said
not.
that.
But I heard allegedly. Yes.
Is it that bad?
It is bad. I think our okay, on a serious note now, no jokes aside. Yeah, our healthcare system could really improve. Some of the areas that deliver, they're not the best, you know, and especially for someone who's in labor. I bet labor is something that's very uncomfortable. And, you know, the discomfort by being in a place where there's no resources and not enough people to help you. It's not nice. Yeah.
And then did having NHC help us in a way? It's just like still India, the prestige ones.
Well, NHC doesn't have a maternity center, not deliver, so it didn't make a difference.
But then your practice there, is it right?
I deliver in Louis Trichardt.
You have a practice there as well?
No. I just use the hospital quality care for deliveries. Yeah.
Yeah, ne? Yeah, must be nice. So what are you doing in your practice here?
I do appointments, day-to-day appointments, so drips, saunas, consults, termination of pregnancies.
Oh, you do terminate? Oh, let's speak about that.
Okay.
What's your take on terminations? I mean.
As a medical doctor, it's legal.
As a normal person?
I don't... You mean as me?
Yeah, as Dr. Tshidzi, what groove? Like the one all of Zindwa.
I would say if you are in a sticky situation, go ahead.
What's the sticky situation?
If you were raped,
okay.
If it's incest.
Fair enough.
If it's incest, if you are mentally unstable, or you have a condition... Why are you smiling?
No, I'm not smiling. Wait, what are you trying to do?
Why are you smiling? Yeah, if you're mentally unstable, if you were raped, if it's incest, if it's... I mean,
wait,
or there's a medical
incest?
condition. Okay, incest is... Let's say then mtu waso ndabena mwana mdzana then wadze Thomas Oshume nda wadze obiri ndona monna ndatonola mwana mdzana matsina the new husband wanga the stepfather ukwadela na One and then it's zwidivi. Or ndichizwidiva. You know, these days things are scary out there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then all I want to fall pregnant. But that's not pure incest because they're not really related, but that's a father figure. It's a stepfather. So pure incest by definition, let's say if it's a biological father and a biological child. Yeah.
But then either way it is incest.
Either way,
Kids,
even a stepfather, either way, I see it as incest because that's your parent. Yes. Yeah. So those circumstances, or if you have abnormalities zangwana on ultrasound where baby they will not have a chance of life, or they're gonna have congenital problems, support for a long time, then definitely, you know, I would say, you know, you can terminate safely as long as you do it at the right place.
So what are some of the misconceptions you've had nga abortion that you feel like, no guys,
okay, so people believe if nabana abortion that's not true. People terminate all the time. People fall pregnant when they want to. Others if not terminate within 3 months. Wow. How am I excited? Yeah, I mean, I think.
Yeah, how long should I wait?
I think it's more of, if motor termination, then abana infection, then the guy just gets the infection.
Then how would I know room to an infection?
After the termination, discharge your nuka, yeah, then you must know to know. Yeah. Mara, I mean, waiting, I always just say, to be safe, just wait 3 months. 12 weeks. Yeah. By then, the womb, you know, should at least run normal, which is your normal period. So by the 3rd month, at least yeah. So you should be as clean as you can be. Yeah. And also if it's above 6 to 8 weeks, then you are sure all the products are out. Because I think that's one of the things in some of those products. So
why can't you guys treat into Uwera? Oh yeah, what do you have to say about those things and traditional medicine and you guys? Like, do you like work hand in hand? Can you like, guys, now we can do this rub by rub, then you can go to those ones. Mara, just don't use us at the same time.
Yeah, I say don't use us at the same time. Yeah, because now the complication are the factor. Is it the one you got from the medical doctor or is it the one you got from a healer? You know, it's tricky. And also sometimes with traditional medicine, I want the dosage. And but that mentality, you know, mutu are desperate. Let's say someone has infertility issues and they're desperate to fall pregnant, for example.
Yeah.
Apomshonga comes to 2 liter, just this cup a day. I don't know firsthand.
What are you talking about?
I don't know firsthand, but I'm just saying.
Already 2 liter. I've been on a cup.
Hey, I think the example.
What do you have to say about them?
So, like, I want 8 liter, then mutu are desperate. I ran it riot. 2 liter. Hey, now you're gonna knock your kidneys, and now you're gonna give traditional medicine a bad name. You see, you see. So I think there's no dosages, but people must try follow instructions. And it's not properly regulated, if I should put it that way. Yeah, because atila ni mutu kandumba yawo kodonipa whatever they're gonna give you, go do this. It's not really regulated. Unlike Rinana, Judanenda Mwara prescription ya morphine in the 2 grams. Acha pharmacy in stand on it's regulated. They'll tell you no ways. It's gonna kill you.
And then also still on abortion, like what's the cap in error? Okay, after this month we can't do abortion anymore.
So with a nurse or a midwife, they can do up to 10, 12 weeks. I think the maximum is 12 weeks, which is like 3 months.
3 months, yeah.
A midwife, a nurse, or a doctor, they can do you. Anything, we are 13, 14 and above to around 16, 18 weeks.
And above,
Ingashika couple 16 weeks. A doctor must do that. Yeah. And then, maybe another 20. See? Actually, up to 12 weeks, anyone can ask for it. You don't need to give reasons. 12 to 20, you give those reasons. So rape, incest, socioeconomic status, you see. That's where you have to give a reason why you're terminating. Around 12 to 20.
Take you like 12 weeks.
Because they found out late.
Oh.
But when you injection, they find out late or they're pregnant.
How do those things work? So the injection at the patch. No, patch. Yeah, it is another pregnant.
Because it's a pressure ovulation or kumbaliso ngoba. Mara what if nukwambara patch in soko ambara zone kana ikweta chinamba turuwa ya jena muyanga pasi. Then you do ovulate, but you don't know. Wow. See, I am trying to be serious.
No, I'm also serious. I'm just trying to learn this whole thing, man.
Yeah, of course, bona. So it's a pressure ovulation or kumbaliso ngoba day 14. But if niso koya ambara zone.
Pecha is so tapey.
It's like a band-aid.
Yeah.
A small square band-aid. Then you put it on your skin. So bangobai ambara kamsi by ita rukanda chirotaba kana baita ya jenazi bubbles ngapasi or ya safari job.
And then how does it then go to the fallopian tubes and all that?
The skin absorbs it and then the hormone works in the body.
Oh, people are smart. Yo.
Yeah. Science.
Which one do you use?
I use the patch.
Oh, do you have it? Maybe
yeah, I do.
Where is it?
I don't vuda panams. I don't know usanga tattoo. No kanya governana patch.
Why do you have it there? Are you going somewhere after this?
The patch? No, I change it every week.
Oh, it's remember.
Hey, or else?
Remember you are booked and busy.
No.
Then why do you have it? If you're not doing anything. Because I'm grandpa, just in case.
Just created a nice skin.
I'm going to say I'm very into podcast unless no barrier.
Look at them butter.
Ndo bati wati ending one at nana manda. Ndi ro zingona swingo sokotare.
Oh my goodness, no.
Yeah.
I do use the patch. It's more convenient, it's comfortable. I also like Urindia. I can play around with my periods. So if I don't want to go on my period, I just continue wearing a patch. When I want to go
on vacations, yeah.
Yes, then I can take it off. Then I go on my period.
Also in Ishto then you
day
good to
3.
Go.
Between day 3, day 4, you go on your period.
And then is it true? If injection kana woman
the injections make people gain weight. And then Venda fidzaba isaba nakundu.
Rine kundu.
Very vyalo.
Dr Tshidzi are vyalo.
Ati munende ati divuri kundu yobaisara uboite ya mimi.
No, to confess this already.
Mara of injection is yabaisa watu nakundu. Yeah, so a lot of people would advise women not to use the injection, but it's one of the most, efficient methods.
Petty efficient.
If you use it correctly. Yes.
You must do tutorials, man, on TikTok. Look at me. I've been using it for the past 5 years. Nothing is happening. So, yeah. People learn.
I think I'll do a video.
Don't you have one? I'm going to what said.
No.
Oh, okay. It's fine.
I'll be wasting.
And then also, like the weeks and all that. So I wanted to know, would you rather like let a person go to an illegal system, right, or abortion if they've passed like that 20 weeks? Can you take the risk and say, no, let me just give it a try and see if I can take it out?
Above 20 weeks, it has to be done in the hospital. And 2 medical professionals have to agree to say, oh, to terminate you. And reason is engaged, socioeconomic, that type of vibes.
Yeah.
After 20 weeks, now it's serious reasons. Either the mother's life is at risk, the baby's dead, or the baby has severe abnormalities that will not be compatible with life. Then that one, it was bader. Yeah, or in a maternity birthing center. You need to be admitted for that one.
And then you also mentioned the fact that apparently there's also those people who never realize that they're pregnant on the 9th month. How is that possible?
Yeah, they do. I think Marazungwe, it's like, I think they get a bit ignorant or they don't pay attention. You know, I'm shifting legs. Don't get excited. Don't get excited. I'm changing legs.
Yeah. But then okay.
But what was the chair? They don't pay attention.
No, but if I say no, like
they carry so well. When they're pregnant, but they're already overweight, ne? So the womb na wana achikwaruwa, they don't really see it. You know, others, fetal movements will be there, but they don't really pick it up. So comes in the mad. I honestly don't understand that part because you will feel or no ways. There's something in here.
I'm right. Germany is mostly. How it is what I'm They just chilled.
Really?
No, like in real life, they're not jumpy.
Bachelor 9 months you're there.
Usikofumula. Achikonodzora so na any class in azambe chitu. Udobera mi 9 months. Petunia divina mutu.
Okay, I guess. But let's not discredit it. It's possible to say I didn't know I was pregnant until 9 months.
So ulanishino are shoshkari 8 months atumozwana zoro tonga unochuwa fa zvinhu. Zvino are apende tinga afford no afford.
Yeah.
So what happens there?
Nothing. That one has to deliver.
And therefore ni atomo ya illegal then.
I think they could, yeah. But yeah, illegal. Mara. Anything above 20 weeks, if it's not threatening your life, I always advise you, then they'll hate me. They'll hate me.
But don't tell you cause and then why do women always have that thing here app check out just accurate
it is accurate if
do you have an app also?
I do to track my menstrual cycle.
So you had achieve and then you're like abnormalities happen. So what do you do then? Don't you just like give yourself
No, normally I'll know what I mean for me to have. Why are you smiling?
No, like I'm interested in the conversation, hence I'm smiling.
Okay. Normally I'll know.
So because I'm smile out and
okay. Okay. All right. No, I'll appreciate that then.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. So no, normally if periods are late, you know, and it's not a matter of pregnancy. Sometimes it's just hormonal influctuation. Sometimes it's stress. Sometimes it's morning after. Because morning after vitamin B.
Oh. Okay, no, sir, Mr. Vitamin
B.
Guys, never this against upon welcome zone adiva ndimshumo wawe newangandoudisa mshumo ndidiva zvispace nothing much.
And as much as I'm laughing, that's not right. You can't take morning after more than once before your next period. Yeah.
So morning after ntia wala ya 20. Okay,
yeah.
Baba
form. Remember, if you take morning after pill before you ovulate, that's when you are safe. Now, morning afternoon ovulator, you will still fall pregnant. This is why some people will say, no, morning after Mara, I'm pregnant. What's going on? Hey. So even drinking it many, many times, it doesn't. You're not helping anyone. In reality.
And then for someone I know of maternity, like how easy is it to make a baby? Because people just think, okay, as long as you're having sex, you're just gonna have a baby. Is it that easy?
It is. I mean, naturally, so how God designed it, it's supposed to be easy. Mara, some people have a challenge, you know, and then they have fertility issues. Mara, honestly, falling pregnant, I mean.
Are you able to tell if a lady is infertile? Can it's always
by
the
bloods, ultrasound. Why do I wake up? I will not mention because of the infertility. But then one thing I've realized, sometimes you find out there's nothing wrong with the woman. The problem is the partner.
It's always with us, yeah.
But yeah, the consults, the fertility, it's mostly the men who do them. Yeah.
And then is it true? Sex in the ear push madua. Apparently, okay, I don't know why I'm doing the end, Mara.
Yeah.
No, like I think I'm using the word push. So yeah, push madua too. Because when I want to find about chua, I mean, my square is the sex that you've been having.
Yeah, push madua, honey.
Like if I could hear the I don't know, actually, on TikTok, this other lady, Akambori, when he gives you so good at this time at the same time.
Oh.
Then Wangbawa Kori, yo, mine gives it to me so good. What push it next week?
I don't think that's scientific. But what I would say is if you have sex and you have multiple orgasms, and then and then when you orgasm, and then the uterus contracts, the orgasms. So if you're quarter two going on your period, they can just come a day earlier.
Oh.
Yeah, but I don't think someone would push them towards the following week. Yeah, no.
So that's kindness.
Yeah, it should actually come closer. Yeah, I should. Yeah, if you come a lot, your periods will come earlier.
Oh, that's how it works. It's in the wedding.
I think so. Yeah.
And then
Yeah, it's not really proven, and you won't really read it somewhere. But I'm just thinking, okay, orgasms, your uterus will contract. If none come at the one machero, they will. Yeah. Yeah.
And then also, why don't you do circumcision, man?
I do circumcisions.
You do? But
Once
I said
a
you
year.
were focused on women.
Yeah, circumcisions I do. Marandi tangashpinga cha circumcision pezi nga June. Yeah.
How is it?
It's straightforward. Yeah.
And then what do you think, Alash? Because circumcision is like it's a traditional thing. It dates way back, you know what I mean? And then all of a sudden, when you about that, you are a lady after that also. So what do you think of that? Or tradition, right? Agenda.
Well, someone commented on my TikTok, or a woman should not be circumcising a man. So I guess some people feel strongly about that. I can't write it off. I mean, the beliefs na mini atiash funny bo. Really? Or a woman should not circumcise?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. But
No, like just me. No, a woman can circumcise, it's okay. Mara not
okay.
because I feel like there's probably like other ladies that are more better than the male doctors.
Yeah, of
So
course.
You never know.
Yeah, you never know. It's about skill. But as long as it's go professionally by a doctor, I think it can be done. And I mean, I hear you, Achambori Vamraona Mini, doctors were not really doing it, you know, Ida Mulani Namini, and then now people are doing it in private practice. It's
You have
just
4 boys.
Yes.
We'll go to them actually after this. Yeah,
Oh,
continue.
wow. So you see, although I know some people's just a preference, bako prefer ngona with local anesthetic asoko for baba. Others prefer ngona with theater. It just now becomes a preference.
Is that what you do?
Ufo baba pedi injection ile bebe.
Oh.
Yotom, yeah, because you have to around the PP.
The PP, yeah.
Yeah, around it. If I'm not tired, then even numb.
Wait, where got what coming?
Around it.
Oh.
For it to be numb.
Ola mshonga wori read dodze apa noni wa patch uyenge kafale pinchi wasa shumisi unapa. Kanzi wa shukuru todo
I've never seen it being done.
No like ndras because amore. No atiko face sorry. Madokotela odana mishonga yote. It's fine of like madokotela na mshonga mamwa chingona chinga mara bashinga go utrita is it anal cancer? Like they have to go deep.
Yeah.
Like why?
They have to.
Why is the solution is that serious?
Oh, then you get a colostomy bag. What do you colostomy bag?
So, nini ngwediba?
Ndela bag any agent so on the side.
Yeah, I mean.
To poop in.
Oh.
Yeah. Then the rectum is just
Oh, I think I've seen another guy on TikTok. Uri I just can't ushumsa disabled. Toilet Oscar iso.
Hey, yeah.
And uri I change I mean.
You have to collect those bags and clean and change the area.
Then ngamanda kondera itwa just so one.
Really?
Eh, uchimana chibege.
Angakondera mean which manage bag cannot the operation. Which one?
Ndingakondera with operation.
Okay.
Imagine gigi niko china na chibege.
To make sure you are dressed properly. Or maybe you shouldn't be going to the gig. No, but then what if you're young and you want to go out? You should be able to, isn't it?
Mar not na chibege. That's what I'm saying.
I think if you dress appropriately and make sure it's clean before you go in, it's empty, you should be fine.
Maranchi what you kakani gigi.
The alcohol will be a problem.
Oh.
I think.
What does alcohol do to us even? Is it
It
bad
dehydrates
for
us.
Also, if you drink it with water, you are good.
That's what you feel. You must alternate alcohol and water at Groove. Yeah.
Is that what you do?
I do that, yes.
What do you drink?
I take tequila shots, silver. I used to drink ice trapez. I stopped. It made me so sick one time. And then, anything with bubbles I take, whether it's champagne or MCC, I can have. Crown, Pongres is MCCs. You see?
Yeah. Also, okay, let's do last one to wrap the thing, the medical part of it. So, like, what are our stats in terms of the HIV and AIDS? Are we doing good? Are we?
No, we're not doing good.
So, that is okay. Not Dar es Salaam. Anyway,
How?
we are This right? Isn't that what it means? Or your
Statistics are, yeah, it's a lot. So,
how many people in 100 have it?
hey, I'm not sure of the exact number, eh? If I'm not then go check at that part.
I thought you knew this thing by heart. Like,
No, not really.
yeah, then he sent me memo maybe from the department. But hey, we are putting like 60 out of 100 have it. Then you're like,
No, I don't have an HIV clinic. But when I run an HIV clinic, they will know. I don't run an HIV clinic. So that's just by chance whenever I find someone. Yeah.
yeah, no matter never safe, guys. No, before it's very bad.
Yeah,
Because I've
it
seen
is.
this. Oh, yeah, but that's in Venda. I don't even know if that's credible. Like the investing when I'm just that, but one can get one. There's that.
Well, universities have a lot of students, so I'm guessing you would find a lot of HIV and
As if those
STIs.
students were with the guma. Tina wa aruwa ba mishimoni. Na mishimoni ziko buya.
Jambo na mshimoni yone, because remember those people who the by
But you know,
university
it's in the
somewhere.
crash.
Yeah, na primary, unless if we're not a baby one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only time. But I mean, HIV, STIs, I mean, those are things that are preventable. As far as you know, genetically no baby wa na wanaburazi ngori hayani nyina yuna ubukuru pfukela. You know, those are things you can prevent. You know. Yeah.
Okay, and then now, yeah, since we're done with the medical part of things, I was just trying to remember how did I get to know of Dr. Tshidzi?
Yeah.
So I remember it was this other time we were having a thing, a shoot on the diary segment, yeah, actually. So speaking of like with the ladies, whenever I want a Venda, if we were to have like Real Housewives of Venda,
Oh wow.
who would we have? And then your name popped up.
Really? Ah,
Would you wish
whoever
to-
that was manifesting that for me,
With him is
wealth and riches,
Nah, it's not always wealth and riches.
I receive. I receive.
So would you want to be part of those things?
No,
Why not? You look like a fun person even.
I am. I'm a vibe. I'm one of
So
the most
imagine.
funnest person to be with. I'm a vibe, but I have my people, you know, and I respond to energies. And the reason why I wouldn't do a reality TV show, hey,
Why? In terms of what?
mtu dhurobara notozulazula pana shangu.
No, but then though they're more a party cat here, like we don't need to do you know what would happen if
Ndingagonyisa nazi ratings.
if housewives of Venda in Fumakadzi that camera songoda the only thing would be jambo nikorara na mtu ase ai wamu.
I don't think that would be the only reason.
What would be the other reason?
The other reason would be
Na mtu ane watu wakumdiwesa.
maybe that's also a possibility. You want
And that's views.
you see, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You see, or maybe mtu anakodivesi ngamanda, or maybe you just don't want to share that part of your life with people. But ababone zozo zwine batopona zwezo. Ndichikochimbira kana what I choose to put on social media, because I always have this thing, Uri, whoever that really needs to know what's happening in my life, they know. Yeah, the
I'm
important
still trying
people.
to find out why you broke up with your thing. With your man.
You know why I don't want to get into it? It's because one. Why are you smiling?
I'm just listening.
Okay. One, it's because I have kids. I don't want my children to see me talking about their father on a public platform.
All four of them, Vaka.
3 are from him, and then the other first one is from my first boyfriend.
Third one is gonna be mine.
Number 5 will be. So I'll have 3 baby daddies.
Oh yeah. If that's a to.
Hi.
Mtu watuwa.
Straight.
Pana chede da ndo sara nchibona nazo. Jiba esa watu wasina chede last two. Look at you, it's not like nanko waro. Eh bana anga kotsi mini like.
Yeah, no, of course not. Of course
Yeah.
not. But I think, yeah, one reason, yes, I wouldn't want to discuss
Which makes
someone
sense.
in a public platform, you know. Yeah, he's an amazing father, and we parent so well, shame. I think we do way better parenting than
But
the
no
other
funana,
stuff. No shame, parenting, 100%.
Is it true, la Sophie? If ningita co-parenting, actually dania did antimupa.
It's not. Or maybe others do it. Hey, let me not. Aren't this good? On my side,
I ain't gonna
no,
vote
it's
guys.
not. It's not. It's not.
Yeah.
It's not. Yeah, parenting is about the kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, co-parenting has to be about the kids.
Yeah.
And I think if you're doing what you're doing for the kids, You will never have issues, trust me. You don't even need to know what's happening in the other person's personal life. I personally don't care. I don't think he cares. Yeah. But when it's time to be with the kids, shame. My kids, I think they're not missing out on a lot. Birthdays were both always there. Christmas, we all there.
Oh, were you with him yesterday?
We were together also for the Christmas vacation with the kids.
So what do you do on vacation? Do you book separate rooms or what?
We have multiple rooms, but yeah, let's not get
Oh,
into
you have a vacation house?
No, athi book up it comes to Durunyaga 10 sleeper kana 14 sleeper.
14 sleeper into? Niba ni 6?
I travel with a nanny.
Oh, you are rich, ne?
Well, I accept. You know
no,
what?
I'm asking.
I accept.
Doctors have money also.
It depends, Anne.
You are the doctor.
It depends. And definition of rich is also very different to many people. Yeah, I'm rich in life, yes. Family, most definitely.
Definitely not.
The people that love me, definitely. You know, business, definitely. I'm doing well. It's growing. Am I where I want to be? Not yet.
Where do you want to be?
I want to be. Ndahamba bandoa.
Oh,
I'm just kidding.
No, you can protect yourself if you go up.
Yeah. You know how they say sometimes, you're planting the seeds.
Oh,
The seeds,
yeah.
you know. I'm not spiritually strong, but I don't want to just attract, you
Yeah.
know. Even I'm trying to come to us, then I must.
They're like, yeah,
pipeline.
yeah, true, I get it.
But the bagwadzi seeds zanga zisatu thoma no.
I
Yeah,
genuinely-
but I'm not where I want to be. Going towards where I need to be, definitely. So yeah,
Oh, I wanted to ask you, right? Did you circumcise all your boys?
all my boys are circumcised. Yes.
Yeah, that's something.
So you see, so even if someone is booking, no, not by me. Oh my
no,
goodness.
I'm asking, like, did you? Oh,
Me personally,
you.
no, it was not gonna work.
Why not? You don't want to see their peepees or what?
I've seen them. They're my kids. I've seen them. I bath them. I dress them.
Hey, Mara.
Yeah, even the youngest now.
What are the benefits of that thing? Of circumcision, yeah.
It but it decreases the risk of urinary tract infections, chances of STIs in men. That's why normally STIs, they won't really just get it as easily as females.
Maybe that's why KZN, there's a lot of infected males. Yeah.
And they don't. Yeah, they don't believe in it. And also, it decreases transmission of HIV, decreases risk of cancer, the head of the pipi. Yeah,
Is that why you call it PP all the time?
No, but
you have a
I'm
name for
doing
it?
it for the viewers.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, must be sensitive.
Oh, okay, I get
Yeah.
it now.
See?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then back to what we were talking about, like who do you want to see? Maybe if we were to have like the Real Housewives of Venda, what are the people you think would be the best cast after you?
Me removed, ne?
No, within the cast.
I'm not. And then I've said I wouldn't be.
How do you be a good one? Trust me. Great. So let's put you the first cast. Let's add other.
Okay, let's see. I would want my friend, Miss Ngobs. I think
she's
she
your
would do
friend.
well. We've been friends.
No, I'm just asking.
How?
Yeah, continue. Miss Ngobs, you?
Yes, not me. I tend to go by now. I would think we would want to
I need
see
5, so I already have 2 now.
the ones we would love to see on screen. Yeah, Miss Ngobs, Mbopo. I don't know if she'd be interested.
Who's Mboko?
Kalari.
Oh,
I would want Mbopo to be there.
yeah.
She's so pretty. Who else? Let's see. Tembi.
Wapano.
Yes, I would love for her to be there, but I don't think she'd be interested. But I think it would be nice for her to be here. She's a businesswoman. She would really, you know.
You come to a businesswoman and then the businesswoman and then walk on all.
Hey, fun inspired.
Right? No, I'm just asking. Kind they're able to defend themselves. Let's use that word.
I think they're able to defend themselves. Those are strong women. Yeah.
Yeah, so Tembi, Miss Ngobs, Mbopo.
Who else? Let's see.
Last 2.
Last 2, ne? Ropi,
Europe.
Dr. Ndabe's wife.
Oh.
She also does clothes. She's made me some beautiful dresses. She's also in business. She's amazing. I think
The last
maybe
one?
she would be interested.
Yeah.
The last one, I'm going to go mental block. Acha diva. How about Vinyana Nyipalakela list?
Oh no, Dokotela, Miss Ngobs was there. You were there. Ichambula.
I think I remember that. I think Nalisha was there, but she's not really based here. She would be good for the show, but she's not based here. But I think she'd be one person who would also be good for the show.
Nara, and the real housewives, not real.
Real what?
Yeah. And those ones married, the ones you're giving me.
Yeah, they've all been married or married. Married.
Oh, yeah. Then it makes sense. So with Alicia. Yeah, I think it makes sense if that's the thing.
Yeah.
So just because you have to go and the normal land shiping a chow.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Sorry, man. While we wait.
No, not really. My first appointment is at 11:30.
Oh, okay. So let's do this thing. I want us to play a game, Yana.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna be a question and then you answer. Simple as that. Hey.
All right.
Hey, I've been bad.
Listen. We don't want to hear noises there. We don't want to hear noises definitely this side.
I'd rather hear than that side.
That side. Yeah, guys, I've watched too many horror movies. No ways.
Yeah, trust me, we ask all those questions every day, Ripan. Okay, yeah. Like, what are the signs of a possible heart attack?
Chest pain, left arm pain, so the pain is the radiator to the arm. Flushing, the left. Flushing.
Is that why you have your arm there blank and all that? Just
no.
in case? Yeah.
I want to.
You love your right side, is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna cover up the entire right side and leave the left. Yeah.
Half.
Yeah. Must be a balance, yin and yang.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the yin and yang.
Yeah, I see it. And then, so just that.
Yeah.
So
collapsing. You can also collapse. So if you have crushing chest pain, radiating to your arm, you a bit short of breath, and you collapse, you getting
and then
sweating.
Coffee affects us too.
It does too much caffeine.
Oh, okay.
Mara, you have to drink a lot of coffee to trigger a heart attack, or either you at risk, yeah.
Okay, and then true or false, eating veggies helps to reduce weight.
True.
Really? Look at the cows though.
But that's all muscle.
With the cows?
Yeah.
You think so? I think that's meat.
Meat is muscle.
Oh.
Yeah. Meat is muscle. Fat is fat. Aboneka nama ya steak. Even aku fat kutuku ngapela matungo or on biltong. The fat will be just on the side.
The white thing there.
Yes,
nice,
that's the
thing.
fat. Yeah, some
That's
people
the
buy
nice-
that. Even my mom likes it.
Yeah.
I don't eat red meat.
Your mom.
Yes, you guys will get along.
Yeah,
very well. Yes. Oh my goodness.
Again, true or false? Drinking wine is good for the heart.
But one glass.
Why? Why
A
would you want
day.
to keep? If I need a good heart, what should happen? More glasses.
No, one glass is fine. You can have a bottle. That'll be too much.
But then I will just have it with water. You know, with water, cleans everything.
Yeah, you'll be diluting. Like if ako no achinwa madi, and achinwa madi, ubako, because the more you're drinking, you become more dehydrated because your body is trying to get rid of the alcohol. So
Yeah.
it's taking away all the fluid in your body. And then the more you drink water, and man ko replenish, ala madi and ko lose.
Oh. So it's affect us as long as I'm drinking water, I'm drinking right. It's just right. Except for smoking. What does smoking do?
It affects your lungs mainly, and then besides that, it affects your blood vessels. Yeah. Mara, your lungs are mostly affected, and then really.
Okay, yeah, guys, 1 glass an hour, you are fine. A good
Yeah.
heart. Yeah, you're definitely gonna have that one. And then anything else you wanna give before you give it the thing, your contact details for people I never come here got there as beauty. Nothing I see you said I look good.
Yeah.
So it's fine. So I'm not gonna be a customer in the next 5 years.
No.
In terms of vessels,
the pigmentation. No, you just have 2-3 spots. Those we can get rid of.
When?
Then a prescription this is the black coffee in February.
Hey, it's called Dura ticket. You have money.
Hi.
You know the cheapest was like 1,500.
I don't know.
So you wanna see me or than a mom too?
I'm just kidding.
No, it's fine then. Yeah, and then let's give people your contact details, maybe just to close off this thing.
Yes, guys. So I'm based in Thando, Golgotha. Our number is 067-246-4904. We're on Instagram, TikTok, Just search Dr. Tshidzi and it will pop up.
And then weren't you at NHC at some point? Then why
I
did
moved
you
last
move?
year.
Is it rent? Or you're like, nah, I just want
It's
to
not really rent there. They do like percentages. But I think for me, an aesthetics practice, it wasn't doing well. Yeah. Like aesthetics needs its own space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you also, besides the aesthetic and all these things, when I was Jamba Ropez, this thing your GP, you did, I mean, what's the difference between GP and Ajunga?
And then when you're GP, you're a general practitioner. So you see all the common cases.
Jack of all trade, kind
Yes.
of.
Yeah. And then it's actually complicated than a medical specialist. So a GP will see everything else. If it complicates, you go to a specialist. And then I'm a GP, then I added aesthetics, which is for the skin. I added a diploma in obstetrics. So I focus mostly on the skin and the pregnant woman.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then also these other podcasts, are dentists really doctors? What do you think of that?
They are. They do anatomy and physiology. Don't worry about focuses are mostly on the
jaws,
face. Right, face. And that is hard. It's hard.
Really? Okuralino, napanga gold.
Marati bafuna dibori bachi tachibebe bathaba ipiyo nevo.
Oh, I think that's the most complicated thing about being a doctor. You don't want a nerve pits and then you put to go.
And then you remove. And then they also do other things. People get into accidents, their jaw fractures, bafono utika bavala, babopa. Balaba weight loss bako mano. No, guys, they do a lot. Why are you laughing?
No, the way I work for man, no, you know that. Yeah, but then thanks a lot for coming, man.
No, it's my pleasure. Thank you for having me, guys.
We're gonna shoot another one. It's like a town.
Did a follow up?
Yeah. What are you gonna do? You know, they don't really wave it.
I don't know.
Just do something good. Imagine Rabi as a couple. Okay, it's fine. I think we should end it there. In India, Come on, yeah. Come on.